Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K. Today we can see networking. Ever wondered how your phone connects to Wi-Fi or how websites load in seconds? That's the magic of networking. Networking is all about connecting devices to share data, whether through cables, Wi-Fi, or even satellites. There are different types of networks. Globe with Meridian's LAN connects devices in one location, like your home Wi-Fi. Globe showing Europe Africa WAN covers large areas, like the internet itself. Networking isn't just about speed, security is key. Firewalls and encryption protect our data from hackers. From cloud computing to cybersecurity, networking powers everything online. And yes, IT pros are in high demand. Want to learn more? Like, share, and subscribe All in 1K for more tech insights.